So they're still trying to sign on.
Okay.
Okay.
With the hour and a half left. All right. Thank you.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, and no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. When was this ticket?
February 23rd. I'm sorry, February 23rd.
Okay, so those are the rules that suspended and this ticket is after that time. The one I have in here is from February 6th.
Oh, wait, so she got three.
All right. Mr. Washington, you can take yourself off mute for me.
Okay, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus James DeMarco Washington. This is ticket number SP 1428684. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
James DeMarco Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm pleased to inform the court, for arraignment purposes, please enter a not guilty plea for the defendant. But otherwise, I'm pleased to announce that he did show up today with valid and current registration and insurance. I have received those documents from him and am attesting to their currency and validity, Your Honor, and that under the policy of the prosecutor would ask this court to dismiss the instant cases against the defendant without prejudice. Thank you.
Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Washington, you got some tickets back in 2022 though for equipment violation, it looks like, or improper equipment and expired plates that you need to pay for, okay?
What if I, was it this for the tinted windows?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have the tickets. They went into default a while ago.
How much is they? Could you tell me the price or?
I can't. They are the equipment by, it says improper equipment, which may be tinted windows. It's $192. And the
Okay.
expired plates is $222, okay?
But what if I show the thing? That don't matter because I got the thing now. That don't matter.
Then what do you have now?
Oh, the registration thing. That can't cancel that second ticket out.
Now calling the matter of the people versus James Washington. This is ticket SP 133460001. This is one ticket for expired plates. Counsel, can I have your name for the record, please?
Harry Boffman for the defendant, Your Honor.
This ticket is currently in default status. Do you have a request, counsel?
Please and thank you. Would you consider the motion here to dismiss, to move to set aside the default? Your Honor, it's from less than a year ago, perhaps more than 1 year ago, but the defendant has a meritorious defense and his absence was inadvertent.
It was more than a year ago, but in the kindness and evidence of my heart today, I will take it out of default and I'll dismiss it now because he has valid docs for that one. You do have to pay that tinted windows ticket though, okay, sir?
No problem. Thank you. I'll pay it as soon as tomorrow. I can pay it tomorrow.
Okay, all right, sir. It's on there anytime for you to pay it, okay? Just go online when you have a chance and pay it, okay?
If I gotta come in or I can pay it online.
You can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're very welcome. Have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too.
All right, thank you. Diamond Williams?
Yes.
Okay, and she doesn't have to come back, Attorney Bachman. They're just all expired plates and no insurance misdemeanors, okay?
Understood. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now calling the matter of, and I'm gonna call 2 additional ones too, just so you know, because she got one on the 1st and on the 6th of February. Now calling the matters of People versus Diamond, Martha Williams. This is ticket SP 1428512, count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling in default, ticket number SP 1428996, count 1, expired plates. Count 2, insurance, no proof. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Williams. State your full name, please.
Diamond Martha Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. As to any matters that are in default, I would move to set aside the default. Also move to dismiss all of the instant cases where the defendant presents today with current and valid registration and insurance. I have seen both of those documents and attesting to their validity and currency as an officer of the court. Thank you.
Being an officer of the court, having now seen valid documents, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to take the cases first out of default, and then I'm going to set aside that default and dismiss those matters. Ms. Williams, on the no proof of insurance, it's going to be a reinstatement. You need to pay that, or else they will not reinstate your license. I'm going to tell you that right now. So go online and pay that reinstatement fee so they can get clearance to the Secretary of State's office so that you can be able to get your license out of the status that it's in right now, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing at this time, okay?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Ms. Williams, please, you will not have to return in July, okay?
No,
Okay,
you don't have to return. That should be okay now, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. What's going on with Tyrone Williams? And he's signing on super late.
I know you had court at 1:30.
Hello,
Hello?
All right.
Hello, Mr. Williams? The
How you
time is
doing?
now 2:04. Why are you late?
I had trouble connecting to the Zoom. I've been sitting since 1:30, listening, but I couldn't connect. It was saying, hello,
That you had to
the
read.
white screen.
I'm ready on Mr. Williams. He's really gonna have to do better drivers.
Okay. You need to talk to him for a moment then in the breakout room and let him know what's going on. We can just take it off of YouTube and you can talk to him here.
Yeah, I can talk to him briefly right here.
I can put you in the breakout room. It doesn't matter, so that way you can have some more privacy.
Yes, please and thank you.
All right, so Mr. Williams, we're gonna put you into a breakout room so Attorney Bachman can talk to you about your case and about your rights. It's gonna be breakout room number 2. He's gonna tell you about today, okay?
All right.
Thank you, Miss Sandy.
Oh, sure. I'm sorry. You're
No,
welcome,
you're
Judge.
good. No, thank you. You can take us off of YouTube too.
Okay.